In today's video, I am going to teach you how to navigate the Pepperstone dashboard. To begin, make sure you are already logged in to your Pepperstone Secure Client area. Once you are on the main dashboard, take a moment to look at the left-hand navigation menu. This is where you will find the main sections of your account, and it is the quickest way to move around the platform. Start by clicking Applications. This section lets you view the status of any applications linked to your Pepperstone account. It is useful for checking progress and confirming whether anything still needs your attention. Next, click Trading Accounts. Here you can see both your live and demo trading accounts. This section helps you review your available accounts and switch your focus depending on whether you are practicing or trading in a live environment. After that, click Funds. This area gives you access to the funding options for your account. You can use it to manage deposits, withdrawals, and other payment-related actions available in the Secure Client area. Now move to Trading Tools. In this section, you can browse the trading tools that Pepperstone makes available. This is where you can explore additional resources that may support your trading activity. If you would like to review more account features, click Partner Program or Platforms from the same menu. These sections provide information about partnership options and the supported trading platforms you can use with your account. When you are ready to access the platform directly, click the Launch Web Trader button. This will open the trading platform, so you can begin managing trades and monitoring the market from your browser. Next, look to the top right corner of the screen and click the profile icon. This opens the account menu. From here, review the available options, including logout and any other account-related settings shown in that menu. As you go through each section, make sure you can move smoothly between applications, trading accounts, funds, trading tools, and the other main areas. This will help you become more comfortable using the Pepperstone Secure Client area and finding the tools you need quickly. Once you have confirmed that you can access and navigate each part of the dashboard successfully, you are all set. Thanks for watching. That covers everything you need to know.